How to buy SUICY, the Suicide Steel token. Now before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, just go and check the X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just go and keep following their updates about this token. Now after that, just go and open the CoinMarketCap site and find this token. Now in the contract, copy the token address. As you can see, we will use it to buy it. Now make sure that the token address is under the SUI network. Now we will use the BitGet wallet. Now as you can see, switch the network from here to SUI network. Now after that, click on this plus icon and paste the token address. Now after that, click on plus. And now this token is added to our wallet. Just go back. Now this is our token. Just click on it. Now click on swap. Now from here, just click on switch from here to be able to buy this token. Just click here. And now as you can see from here, just select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. Now make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now enter here how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will receive of that token. Just click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy this SUICY token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.